Alright, Constitution and Bylaws of the Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineering and Trainmen Auxiliary. Auxiliary to the Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineering and Trainmen, a division of International Brotherhood Teamster Rail Conference. Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineering Trainmen for Our Bright Future. Auxiliary, formerly Grand International Auxiliary to the Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineers since 1887. National Headquarters 8720 North Myrtle Drive, Tucson, Arizona 85704, VP3 Serena at AOL.com or www.bletauxiliary.net. Official changes by action delegates the second quadrennial convention following the changes were implemented, but the title of the national vice president has been changed to national first vice president, national second vice president, and national legislative representative, and national third vice president. Membership requirement of the application auxiliary scholarship program and the card assistance program was reduced from 2 years to 1 year. Excluding national security, national treasurer term limits for the national officers were revised, allowing national officers to serve in the same elected office not more than 2 years terms or 8 years. The national secretary and national treasurer position shall continue elected with alternating conventions to serve the 2 consecutive 4-year terms, and 8 years are not eligible for re-election completion of the 8-year term. Alright, Brotherhood of Locomotive Auxiliary Constitution and Bylaws. Article 1, Name and Membership. Article 2, Mission Statement and Purpose. Article 3, Officer and Election. Article 4, Meetings. Article 5, Charters. Article 6, Funds. Article 7, Amendments. Alright, National Bylaws. Article 1, Organization. Section 1, Governed Body. Section 2, Membership Representation. Section 3, Governing General Provisions. Section 4, Term of National Auxiliary. Section 5, Request of Referendum Vote. Article 2, Duties of Compensation, National Officer Duties, National President, Duties of the National First Vice President, National Duties for the National Secretary, Duty of the National Treasurer, Duty of the National Second Vice President, National Legislative Representative, Duty of the National Third Vice President, Duties for the National Chaplain, Duties of the Alternate National Security, Duties for the Alternate National Treasurer, Duties for the Past National President, Compensation. Article 3, Election in Terms of Office, National Officers Nomination, Election Vacancies, Qualifications for Offices. Article 4, Representation Delegates. Section 2, Expensing Reimbursement. Section 3, Membership Representation. Section 4, Voting. Section 5, Credentials. Section 6, Special Meetings. Article 5, Committees, Duties of the Committees. Standing 1, Section 1, Standing Committees. Section 2, Duty of the Committees, Credentials, Financial, Jurisprudential, and Bylaws, Legislative, Memorial, and Parliamentary Law. Article 6, Charters. Section 1, Granting Charters. Section 2, Surrendering Charters. Section 3, Duplicating Charters. Article 7, Dues and funds for the Brotherhood of Locomotive Engineering Trainmen Auxiliary. How maintained. Dues. Section 1. Section 2. Official years. Section 3. Auxiliary funds. General fund. Convention. Delegated funds. Scholarship funds. Care Assistant Program. Section 4. Rules of Scholarship Program. Section 5. Rules of Care and Assistant Program. Article 8, Executive Council. Section 1, Executive Council. Section 2, Meetings. Section 3, Power Duties. Article 9, State Legislative Representatives. Section 1, Appointments. Section 2, Duties. Section 3, Initiatives. Article 10, State Meetings. Section 11, National Auxiliary General Session. Section 1, Order of Business. Section 2, National President Greeting. Section 3, Schedule of Procedure. Section 4, Rules for National Auxiliary General Session. Article 12, Amendments. Section 1, General Session. Section 2, Referendum Vote. Article 13, Parliamentary Authority. Parliamentary Helps. Motion, Taking Vote, Reconsideration and Appeal. Motion to Close. Points of Order. Reports. Presidential Pro Tem. Installation New National Officers. Local Auxiliary Bylaws. Article 1, Name. Article 2, Charters. Section 1, Powers and Privileges. Section 2, Petition for the Charter. Section 3, Charter of Members. Section 4, Suspension of Charters. Section 5, Revocation of Charters. Section 6, Surrendering Charters. Article 3, Membership Qualification of Membership Application. Section 1. Section 2, Application for the Membership. Section 3, Transfer of the Membership. Section 4, Cessation of Membership. Section 5, Reinstatement. Associated Membership Qualification. Associated Membership. Section 6. Section 7, Application Associated Membership. Section 8, Transfer of Associated Membership. Section 9, Cessation of Associated Membership. Section 10, Reinstatement of Associated Membership. Section 11, Associated Membership Rights and Limitations. Article 4, Meetings. Section 1, General Meetings. Section 2, Special Meetings. Section 3, Quorums. Article 5, Officers, Duties, Officers. Officers and duties of officers. Section 1. Officers. Section 2. Duties of officer. Past president, president, vice president, secretary, treasury, chaplain, legislative representative, mobilization coordinator, trustees. Article 6. Nomination election in elections. Section 1. Election. Section 2. Frequency. Section 3. Eligibility. Section 4. Election procedures. Section 5. Vacancy. Section 6. Installation. Section 7, Dues and Finances, Auxiliary Dues, Fees and Assessment, Auxiliary National Dues, 2, Section 3, Member at Large National Dues, Section 4, Finances, Section 5, Delinquencies, Section 6, Auxiliary Money, Article 8, Committees and Duties, Section 1, Auxiliary Committees, Section 2, Duties of the Committees, Auditing Committee, Help for the Auditing Committee, Help to How to Proceed, Caring Committee, Servicing Committee, Committee to Make Up, Article 9, Delegates, Section 1, Certification of Elections, Section 2, Credentials, Section 3, Delegate Instructions, Section 4, Requirements of Convention, Article 10, Members at Large, Granting Membership, Regional Delegate, Section 2, Section 3, Regional Delegate Election, Section 4, Eligibility, Section 5, Election Procedure, Section 6, Election Dues, Section 7, Dues, Associated Members at Large, Section 8, Qualifications, Associated Members at Large Membership, Section 9, Associated Member at Large Rights and Limitations, Article 11, Interpretations. Article 12, Amendments. Article 13, General Rules. Effective date. History of the GIA, Grand International Auxiliary with the Brotherhood of the Engineer and Trademan Auxiliary Programs. History of Student Scholarship Fund. History of Care and Assistance Program. History of Legislative Program. History of Mobilization Program. Other changes to the auxiliary supplies available to the Office of National Security. Information forms, auxiliary business, membership pins, forms, form of organization, auxiliary obligation, installation, auxiliary officers, optional installation, long form and oath, regional meetings, business opening, procedure forms, order in businesses, national officer contact information. All right, that's going to be the opener.